Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, my camera is not clear. There we go. Today, I'm making a bit of different video. You will understand soon. And it's like really late now. Can't even see the outside. It's so late right now. Today, we're doing something different. Today, we need our notepad from Microsoft. Let's see what we're doing. What are we doing? I should do that with the intro. I'm kind of nervous for this, but okay. So yeah, this is kind of an education video, and my doorbell can ring anytime, but it is kind of in a funnier way. In my mood, I'm doing this. So what are we gonna do today? HTML tutorials. First, to start it off, we need to put these HTML. Because if we don't put this HTML, the website will not even work. So this is the main important thing here. And what you need to do every single time when you put these you need to put this, what can I say, this arrows, like shift and then the full stop you need to press, so it can come as the word, or it can create the website for everything, which I'm gonna show you right now. So I am also, oh, the doorbell rang. Wait, no, that's the wrong key. You guys are just seeing the notepad, but what I am doing is opening something else. Okay. So we have lots of things we can start with. But now, first we are gonna start the website. Now we are gonna do this thingy called body. We can type something and it will come like. And this is just like an introduction video, and we'll go more deep into other stuff according to categories. Now this one is list and how to start an HTML. So HTML tutorial, how to start your HTML and lists. So okay, now we created our body. Now we'll start by doing our head. It's not necessary, these two are necessary, but this one is not necessary. It's just to give a label. So today what we are doing is we are doing lists, and then we do this, and remember we have to put a slash when we are ending something other than headings. It's not, I don't know if this is a heading or not. This is just a header, and for headings you don't need to put the slash, but for everything else like HTML body you need to put a slash before the word, so then you will definitely know that it is gonna finish. So the website will know that you have to stop there, otherwise it will create another header which we don't want. We want to stop it, so we put a slash. Then we can also do this h1, which is the header. Now see, the head comes small while the header comes bigger. So like lists and header, and I'm feeling ashamed that I did not even capitalize it. Sorry for people who have OCD, which I don't. So that's why I did it. You can just do the, oh wait, I forgot something. It is not necessary, but it is kind of useful, because sometimes it may not work, sometimes it will. Now, and if you hear that ting noise, that's just something else. My friend that's chatting. So as I told before, for H1s you don't need to put the slash before them. Now these H1s are big, and then like when we make like a, let's say, H2 list order, which we are gonna do later, H2, and we are not talking about H2O, H3, and we're just going to show you, you can have a maximum of 3 headers. Type LOL, and I need to the LOL we are not, I'm just gonna remove afterwards. Lots of laughters. Well, the list order we are gonna keep. So now we done H1. Now our thing is done, which we need to start our HTML. It's done. So we put the header and we put the heading. So like list, we have a list unordered and we have a ordered list. But that let's put in a bracket, because list unordered are the items we do not have. So these are the things we do not have, and list ordered are the things we have. What are the items we do not have? I should just erase that. The items we have. Done. Now we done our heading. Now we are going into the wait. So now I explained you all headers and head and body and HTML. Body means you can just write it. H1 is a header and head is just the top thing you will see basically everywhere. Like this is basically a header. This is the H1, but the header is actually kind of small compared to the H1, which I will show you after we stop the notepad thingy. So okay, now we done this. Not waste your time. This is a list unordered. So use UL, which means unordered lists. I'll go even more deep into them later. Now what we need to use is list item. Basically whatever you want in your list. So this is an unordered list, right? So then let's go onion. And remember, we need to put a /li, so it's like finished. This list item is finished. Now we are going into the next one. And no, if you are triggered by me not putting caps, you shouldn't put caps. Potato. I don't want to make this too long. And my typing skills have gotten really quick by using this. Tomato and chicken, and we finish it off. And then what we do is we go /ul. So the unordered list is over. Now we are gonna do the items we do have. So for that we are not gonna use ul, but we are gonna use OL, ordered lists. Now for the ordered list, we do the same thing, LI. But there's something cool that I want to show you, because after we complete this, I'm going to go back through this, back to Google, back to this, back to Google, like that I'm going to do and show you example. Now let's say brinjal. Okay, OCD people, sorry, potato, onion. Okay, I forgot. Oops. We still use list item, but because it is in middle of the OL, it knows that it's an ordered list now. So brinjal, cabbage. No, I'm just kidding, cabbage. I think I should be in more like a serious way compared to a funny way. And what can you say? Broccoli. Bada bim, bada boom, bada bim, bada boom, bada da. Same thing. Oops. Okay, what should we put here? We already got the tomato. Oh wait, we don't have the tomato. Oh, we have everything else other than the good stuff. Let's say milk. Okay, so we'll put milk, and that's done for the ordered list. Now we just close it off, and boom, we've done this. Now what we do is we save as. I don't know how many of you can see this, how much I am doing. And what we do is, let's say list 5, and then we need to put dot html, and we have to join it with the previous word. So dot html and sub. Now we just open that. Open it. And now, and then we got it. Now you remember, we put the head as list and h1 as this. In h2, and in h2 it got even smaller, the heading, and in h3 it's even smaller now. Now we got our list in. Now you see unordered, we got these dots, and in ordered we got 1 2 3 4. Now what I'm gonna do is go back there, and I'm gonna remove the h3 while students are here, and we refresh it. Oops, I remove the h3, and now in not in h2, in OL what we put a space, and we do a type like now we already done this OL, and then we did like this, then we go like, okay, I shouldn't do here. Okay, so now I remove that, and then you saw already my lol went. Okay, we go to OL, and we do a space, and then we do a type equal inverted commas, and we put anything we want. Now this is the ordered list, so we can have option of 1, which is default. We have option of normal or capital A, which just goes A B C D E F instead of 1 2 3 4. It goes A B C D. You can have normal or capital, and when you reach about 26, right, because there's only 26 letters, it will go like A B A C A D, like that it will go. Okay, then we can also put I, normal or capital, which is my favorite, so I'll show you what it does. Now every time after from notepad you like save something, you have to save it like normal where you already saved, and you need to reload. Then we got that. For normal it will be all less one. So like this we got. And once you close your notepad, right, it's gone forever. Gone. Now I need to show you about UL, what you can change it to. Now we are back to UL, and by the way, when you go to OL, right, you don't need to put it slash on, you don't need to change. Now we go here and we do the same thing, but this time you have the options of circle, square, or just don't put it all, and you'll get the default one with the which you already seen. So oops, and my favorite is square, so that's why we are gonna do that. We go into file, we save, then we come to Google, and we refresh, and boom, it turned into square. It's minor, but I like it. So yeah, here's a tutorial on the HTML making. Bye bye.